Who was the strongest warrior of Mahabharata? Was it Bhishma, Karna, Arjuna? No, it was Barbaric. Yes, you heard it right. Barbaric, the unsung hero of Mahabharata, was the mightiest warrior capable of ending the Kurukshetra war in just a minute. Let's see how he becomes so powerful and why Krishna don't want him to contest in Mahabharata war. Barbaric was the grandson of Bhima and son of Ghatotkacha and Mauravi. He learned the art of war from his mother. He was awarded with the 3 powerful arrows by Lord Shiva, who was pleased with his tapasya. The first arrow would mark all the objects that he wanted to destroy. The second arrow would mark the things that he wanted to save. The third arrow would destroy the target marked by the first arrow or destroy the ones not marked by the second arrow. At the end, all the arrows would return to him. Upon hearing of the Kurukshetra war, Barbaric desired to witness it. Before heading to Kurukshetra, he was bound by the promise he made to his mother to always fight for the weaker side. Before the Mahabharata war began, Krishna asked the powerful warriors from both the sides how long they would take to finish the war alone. Bhishma said 20 days, Dronacharya 25 days, Karna 24 days and Arjuna 28 days. Having heard of Barbaric's abilities, Krishna disguised himself as Brahmin and asked the Barbaric the same question. Barbaric confidently responded 1 minute. This surprises Krishna. To test the Barbaric's power, Krishna challenged him to tie all the leaves of the trees using his arrows. As Barbaric started meditating, Krishna secretly placed a leaf under his foot. When Barbaric released his first arrow, it marked all the leaves and started revolving around Krishna's feet. He questioned Barbaric about its behavior. Barbaric, suspecting a leaf under the Krishna's foot, urged him to lift it. This confirmed Krishna that Barbaric could finish the war within a minute. Krishna asked Barbaric which side he would join in the war, and Barbaric stated his intent to fight for Pandavas, considering them the weaker side. But Krishna then revealed the paradox of Barbaric's impossible promise. Barbaric's 3 arrows made him the most powerful warrior, causing the imbalance whichever side he joined, leading to the endless switching until he destroyed everyone but himself. To avoid this consequence, Krishna asked for Barbaric's head. Barbaric pleaded to witness the war, and Krishna granted his wish. Barbaric sacrificed his head, and it was placed on the top of a hill to witness the entire war. After the war, the victorious Pandavas debated the main reason for their victory. Krishna suggested consulting the Barbaric, the silent witness of all. Barbaric credited their victory to the Krishna's presence and guidance. Barbaric's sacrifice before the Mahabharata war guaranteed the victory of his grandfathers, the Pandavas. In recognition of his sacrifice, Krishna granted Barbaric a deity status through a boon. Presently, Barbaric is worshipped as a Kattu Shyamji in Rajasthan and Baliya Devi in Gujarat. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification so you never miss an upload.